Tonight we both promise it's all about gonna be you. It's gonna be all about you. You're gonna have the time of your life. This night specifically it's gonna be a fantastic life because this night is all about you. It's the grand finale of Bombay Dying Performers League.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not about too many awards and too much gyan and too many speeches. It's about dancing. It's about hitting the dance floor. So let's kickstart this beautiful evening at a very, very happening note. Zordar taaliyon ke saath, let's bring up our first act all the way from Russia, actually from the Arabian sands of Russia. Zordar taaliyon ke saath, let's have these international dancers rock you tonight. Come on, guys, make some noise!
Guys, all the way from Russia just for you! actually couldn't take my eyes off. Dance अच्छा था वैसे, लेकिन
Eyes off what?
no comments. But wasn't it fantastic? Guys, come on, males. It was fantastic, right?
आकाश मुझे थोड़ा मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Let's go down and let's
Yes.
just talk to these guys कि what is the deal? 2 दिन से गोवा में पार्टी कर रहे हैं, अभी भी मुझे इन सब से आवाज नहीं मिल रही.
बातें थोड़ी सी.
The person with the maximum points would be declared as
Yes.
the winner of the Bombay Dying Premier League. I see someone very young out here. Hello, what's up? What's your good name?
Ankit Gupta.
Ankit Gupta, do you want to stand up? Say hello to everyone around you. All right, I see Ankit here. Ankit, which team are you representing?
Eastern Warriors.
Eastern Warriors or Western Warriors? What are you?
Sorry, Vessel Warriors.
You're sure, no? Western Warriors. Okay, I'm going to ask you a very simple question, Ankit. कुछ ही दिन पहले रजनीकांत जी हमारे बॉम्बे में थे. उसी दौरान अर्थक्वेक आ गया था बॉम्बे के अंदर. दिल्ली तक उसका हमें इम्पैक्ट फील हुआ था. ऐसा क्यों?
I don't know.
Come on, try. Someone guess.
I don't know, really don't know.
Does anyone else want to try? कि क्यों अर्थक्वेक क्यों आया? बॉम्बे से लेके दिल्ली तक उसका इम्पैक्ट क्यों फील हुआ? रजनीकांत का तबीयत ठीक नहीं था. तबीयत तो नहीं है. Anyone who wants to make one more try? Come on, this table. Let me ask someone here. How about this table?
Easy question. Very easy question.
Come on, guys. Think out of the box. A little out of the box. I see our Delhi Dons sitting here. So you need to make one try. कुछ ही दिन पहले रजनीकांत was in मुंबई. उसी दौरान मुंबई के अंदर अर्थक्वेक आ गया. दिल्ली तक उसका इम्पैक्ट पहुंच गया. ऐसा क्यों?
मालूम नहीं.
पर ऐसा इसीलिए बिकॉज रजनीकांत का फोन वाइब्रेट हो रहा था. ठीक
तो
है.
इसीलिए अर्थक्वेक आ गया. रजनीकांत की बात ही अलग है.
No
Anyway,
one got that.
we have tons of such kind of questions. You just have to think out of the box. And hello sir, what's your name? Sanjay Rodia. Please sir. संजय जी कौन सी टीम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं आप? वेस्टर्न वॉरियर्स. वेस्टर्न वॉरियर्स काफी अच्छे हैं स्कोर कार्ड में, और आप चाहें तो स्कोर बोर्ड में उन्हें आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. लास्ट यू वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, लेकिन इसका आंसर सोच समझ के दीजिएगा. लॉजिकल आंसर हो ही नहीं सकता. एक वेल है, एक कुआं है, जिसमें तेरा 40 फ्रॉग्स, 40 मेंढक है. 4 फ्रॉग्स डाई, 4 मेंढक मर गए. कितने बचे? सोच समझ के आंसर दीजिएगा.
You're going to win your team at least 10 points.
आपका कहने का मतलब है एक भी नहीं. कैसे आंसर तक कैसे पहुंचे आप?
चार मर गए, बाकी के भाग गए.
4 मर गए, बाकी के भाग गए.
Akash, but we should give it to them. But the reason is different. You should explain the reason, but we should give it to them.
But still the answer is very much different. You think
Okay,
so?
let's ask someone else.
Okay, let me try. Anyone else? Very simple question. I'll repeat myself. एक कुएं में 40 मेंढक, 4 मर गए. एक कुएं में 40 फ्रॉग्स, 4 मर गए. कितने बचे? Okay.
Let's try the Papa Ji then.
You raise the hand. So I'll ask you. तो सर आपका नाम पहले. आंसर क्या लगता है आपको? क्या आंसर है? ऑफ चंडीगढ़. So what's the answer? कोई भी नहीं बचा. कैसे? काफी इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं मुझे. चलिए
आपका
one more
आंसर?
try.
40 के 40.
40 के 40 मर गए, बच गए.
कैसे?
क्यों?
36 वो 4 वो है तो 40 वही.
ओहो, that's the right answer. भाई 4 मर के भी है तो कुएं के अंदर ही ना. तो 40 के 40 बच गए. ओके, what's your name sir? दिल्ली डॉन्स के लिए भाई 10 पॉइंट. दिल्ली डॉन्स के लिए 10 पॉइंट. एक और मौका, एक और क्वेश्चन मेरे पास है, एक और क्वेश्चन मेरे पास है. And let's go to that table. One more question. Hello sir, what's your name? Pradesh ji, कौन सी टीम से आप? Western Warriors. Okay, Western Warriors को एक और मौका दे रहा हूँ. शोले फिल्म. I think शोले हर किसी ने देखी है, right? शोले में एक कैरेक्टर का डबल रोल था. वो कैरेक्टर कौन था? शोले में एक कैरेक्टर का डबल रोल था. वो कैरेक्टर कौन था? Any guesses? Harminder, Amitabh Bachchan, Hema Malini. डबल रोल किस कैरेक्टर का था? कोई आंसर देगा प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. Okay, no problem sir. Moving ahead. कोई आंसर देना चाहेगा? शोले में किसका डबल रोल था?
So any guesses?
Here we go. हाँ sir.
Jayaprada, that's not the right answer.
Which team? Southern Sensation. नरेंद्र जी, what is the answer? शोले में किस कैरेक्टर का डबल रोल था? Point का. हेड वाले की पॉइंट का डबल रोल था. Southern Sensation को भी 10 पॉइंट और दिल्ली डॉन्स को भी 10 पॉइंट. गाइस इसी तरह आपको आज मौका मिलता रहेगा पॉइंट कमाने का. और आज की रात one of the team is gonna be the winner of BDPL, that is Bombay Dyeing Performers League.
Just 1 second before we go ahead. किसी का Kodak camera गिर गया है. Whoever's lost it, please make sure you come back and collect it from backstage. Our winners from Delhi Dons as well as the other winner out there. Delhi Don again, right? Delhi Don
Delhi Dons and Southern Sensation both get 10 points each.
Get a chocolate hamper on behalf of Bombay Dyeing. However, ladies and gentlemen, with that, let's bring in our next performance this beautiful evening.
सोनी एंटरटेनमेंट के बहुत ही फेमस शो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए कुछ भी करेगा कि they were the runners up. They won a whopping amount of around 20 lakhs. So please put your hands together for Azim Sheikh and Shruti.
Toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम लो समझीना सेन्योरिटा. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी रंग है क्या वो खो जाए पूरे हम होगा रंग है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedican, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमान की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा. मुझसे आप नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझीना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी रंग है क्या वो खो जाए पूरे हम होगा रंग है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. यार एक बार जोरदार तालियां तो बजा दो. Okay, in the BDPL only there was a contest closer to the consumer contest. So I request all the captains to hand over the sheet to Mr. Raj Sinha. The contest closer to the consumer. I request all the captains to hand over the score sheet to Mr. Raj Sinha. All the captains, till now, सिर्फ Eastern Eagles ने अपना score sheet दिया Mr. Raj Sinha को. I request all the captains to hand over the sheet to Mr. Raj Sinha. And right now, I have to announce which team is leading the chart. As of now, in Bombay Dyeing Performers League, the team leading is Southern Sensation. But there is a tie for the second spot, who are very close. That is Delhi Dons and Dakshin Dashers. Very close call, but still every team has a chance. So give it your best shot tonight, guys.
Well, the night is still young. There are still so many more activities coming your way. अब तक final winner decide करने में काफी time बाकी है. So to see what's the spirit like, I need one representative from each team. 6 teams में से मुझे एक कोई भी बंदा चाहिए. Come on, Southern Sensations, Northern Knights, Eastern Eagles. The first one to come up on stage. Quickly, come on.
One player from each team. Come on, guys.
Dakshin Dashers, Delhi Dons.
One player from each team. Come on.
The Western Warriors, where are they?
Any one teammate.
Quickly on stage, whoever reaches the stage first.
We
Hello,
have two
sir.
players from two
Southern Sensations. I'm aware. After 2 days, I remember your face. How about you, sir? Which team? Western Warriors. South and West. Which team? The Dashers are here and the Delhi Dons are here. I have the Dashers. Where are the Knights?
Knights and Warriors.
Yeah, Warriors. Yeah, where are the Knights?
Come on, sir.
Northern Knights. Knights are here. I have it. All
And there
right.
he is.
Eastern Eagles. Come on, quickly. All right. I have 6 people with me. What are your good names? Your name?
Anish.
श्रीनाथ
Akash. Amit. Govinder Gata. SS Luthra.
I'm Mrs. SS Rutra. All right, I have 6 participants, 1 from each team. Simple task for them. We're talking about IPL, we're talking about glitz and glamour, cricket, but all this without some Madura is not fun, na?
I'm so excited.
Well, let's see. 1 minute, maximum amount of beer. Who can down it? I'm sure it's not a problem for you, Papa Ji.
Simple.
So, chalo, let's have the beer on stage, quickly.
एक जो भी ज़्यादा beer पी लेगा, he'll get the maximum points. Maximum beer in 1 minute.
60 seconds. Each one gets 1 beer. Please remember, one second. On the count of 3. One
Okay,
second.
you can open it. All of you can open it now.
Open your beers.
Open it.
On the count of 3, you'll start. 60 seconds. Maximum amount of beer down. ये याद रखना, फास्टेस्ट पीने में विनर नहीं है, ज्यादा बियर पीने में विनर है. The number of bottles आप जैसे ही पी लेंगे, आप अपने सामने रखेंगे. Number of bottles.
In 60 seconds.
Come on, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's amazing.
No matter what they say, let it go. Let it go. No matter what they do, let it go. Let it go. No matter what they say, let it go.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
All right. One sec.
One sec.
So which team? Dakshin Dashers ने तो पहली बियर के बाद ही हार बोल के मैं और नहीं पी सकता.
Oh.
Boo to the Dashers. My sensations, how are they doing? The first beer still in the hand, enjoying.
That's good.
Western Warriors seem to have 3 beers down here. How many over? How many dropped? He seems to be quite committed. 3 beers down. Not bad. Warriors leading as of now. And we are here with the Eastern Eagles. Eastern Eagles 1.5. So far the second. Here which team do I have? Delhi Dons has more on his shirt than inside his system.
It's like, okay, 3 bottles completely finished, I suppose. Still some left.
Looks more like 2 beers that the Dons have. And Papa ji, if you can move from you, sir ji. You हो गया? Do it real quickly to see. किस तरह चल रहा है? Hands down, the Warriors seems to be winning. 3 beers down, the Warriors seem to be staying in. So I need to see the first 2 people who can quickly run up onto stage. The first 2 people. Jaldi se.
The points will be added in the BDPL score sheet. First 2 people
It's
from
the last game tonight. The first 2 people quickly on
We
stage.
have number 1
And I have number 2
number
almost.
2 also. We have the Dakshin Dashers, and
I have the Dakshin.
Dashers. Delhi Dons and Dakshin Dashers.
I have the Dashers and Dons with me. पहले तो इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for the motivation and the speed with which they came up on stage. बाकी सारी टीमें सो रही हैं तो they're going to get the benefit of doubt. Dashers and Dons. It's the final question in this championship league, and whoever gets the right answer, yeah.
And final contest
The
of
final
BDPL.
question for these 2 teams
The
is:
question is,
at the entrance of the Wadia International Centre is the bust statue of the late Sir Nes Wadia. This bust was presented to the company by the workers and staff of the Spring Mills. In which year was this memorial presented? In which year was this memorial presented? I give you 2 options.
any guesses also you can make?
In the Wadia International Centre, there's a statue. Statue was presented by the staff and the workers. In which year was it presented? I give you 4 options. Amitabh bhi 4 option देता है. मेरा तो देना बनता है ना. Was it 1950s, 1980s, or 2000s? 1950s? Was it 1980s or 2000s? I give you 3 options. Come on.
2000.
2000 Dashers. How about the Dons? So you have 50s and 80s left.
2000. 50, 80 or 2000.
Quick, think. 50s and 2000. Is there anyone else who would like to try? Now that's very smart of you all. It could be 50s also. I might just be pulling you all.
Exactly.
The Eagles, where are they? Yeah, they're supposed to be Eastern Eagles and all. सारे के सारे ठंडे हो गए पहले दिन के बाद. Is there any other team that would like to try? 50s, 80s and 2000s. What could it be? Yes, sir, on stage. Quickly, come on. One last try. It could be 50s, it could be 2000, it could be 80s. In which year
Let's
was the
see.
memorial at the Wadia International Centre presented? That's the question we're running on.
Which team,
The
sir?
final deciding
Which team,
question.
sir? Which team, sir? Delhi Dons again, giving it a shot.
1 second. We have already a Dawn on stage, so I'd request someone else from some other team.
Any other team?
Any other team. We need to be fair. We have 2 from Delhi Dons, so it wouldn't be right to give
Any
it out
other
to
team.
Dons. Any of the other 2 teams without
Quickly, sir.
Dashers and Dons.
Quickly, sir. Thank you,
Who
sir.
are you guessing?
Which team, sir?
50s, 2000s, 80s?
Which team, sir? Eastern Eagles is here.
Eagles are here. What is your answer, sir?
1980.
Are you sure? 1980. Guys, what do you all say? 2000s? Yes? No?
1950.
No. 50s?
Yes.
How many say yes to 50s?
A lot actually.
Okay. How many say yes to 80s? Everyone needs to get their facts right. Hands down, the winners are the Eagles. It is the 1980s. One
Eastern
sec.
Eagles
Can I have the
win,
chocolate
yes.
hampers on stage, please?
And the scoring team, I request.
And the
Eastern
winners from the
Eagles
previous
have scored.
competition on stage as well, please.
And now we'll have the final scores very shortly with us.
So you get 2. Participation and the previous one. Can I have the previous winners on stage?
And now this final score will be added to total tally, and we'll have our final winners: gold, bronze, and silver. Let's see who's the gold winners this year in the BDPL, that is Bombay Dyeing Performers League.
Can I request Mr. Sinha and Aditya ji to please come up with the scores?
Isn't it exciting?
I'm sure no one can wait because it's been a very fair competition.
End of 3 days, and finally we'll have our top 3 teams winners of the Bombay Dyeing Performers League.
And just to announce, well, the bookings were so busy, we had so much happening out there at the exhibition that we had to cancel a contest because of lack of time, which was the visual merchandise contest. However, it's still been a very, very fair competition with the beer drinking, questions.
Yeah, actually, Avneet, since you mentioned it, I would like to mention, Mr. Aditya personally told me this year, when it comes to booking, has been one of the most successful years ever. Please give it a big round of applause for
Come on
all
guys,
of you
for
out
all your hard work.
there.
Zordar Talia, you guys have really worked hard the last 2 days and have made it possible for Bombay Dyeing. And if I'm not wrong, I hear a figure of over 1 crore, if I'm not wrong, of bookings in these last 2 days. So give it up for you guys. And meanwhile, where's Mr. Sinha and where's Aditya ji? And where are the previous winners of the contest? We have your chocolate hampers to be given out. बहुत ही गंभीरता से स्कोर पॉइंट्स ऐड हो रहे हैं. A little bit of
Okay.
deciding going on.
One of the, actually the most popular and one of the toughest competition was closest to the consumer. So right now I'm going to announce the winners of only the closest to the consumer competition. In it, for the second spot, there was a tie between 3 teams in the closest to the consumer competition. And the 3 teams who had a tie among themselves were Southern Sensations, Eastern Eagles and Western Warriors. They all share the second spot.
And the winner in the closest to consumer contest went out to the Northern Knights.
Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, just a few moments away from the total championship winner of the Bombay Dyeing Premier League, Magar. Before that, while we have the scores computed and have a very fair answer out here, we have one rock star to take this evening to a very different crescendo tonight. He's here all the way from Voice of Mumbai, someone who has performed with various national and international artists. You name it, a Sonu Nigam, you name it a Harihara, you name it a Mikka. He's been there, he's done that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about Voice of Mumbai. Put your hands together for Mohit Pathak.
Baby, come stand by my side. Come and be my guiding light. Oh, I'll be what you want me to be. I'll give all my love and all of my life. Sonia, oh Sonia, तुम्हें देख
of your favorite song, I know that. Can I see some hands up? Can you feel like this? Very simple, yeah. That's it.
तुझको जो पाया तो है ये लगता क्यों बाहों में बस तेरी महफूज हूँ तुझको जो पाया तो है ये लगता क्यों बाहों में बस तेरी महफूज हूँ तुम बनो साया मेरा जिंदगी में आओ जिंदगी बिताओ बस यूं ही
Sing it.
चाहे जो भी होगा तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ baby come stand by my side come and be my guiding light oh I'll be what you want me to be I'll give all my love and all of my life baby come and be my guiding light
Thank you.
Yo, boys, I am sing song. Soup song. Flop song.
why the Solavari जी
क्या बात है? I knew it. क्या बात है? खतरनाक.
why this Solavari
Super.
why this Solavari
क्या बात है? मैंने कहा था ना सबको.
distance alone moon color white background night color black Solavari
Can you stand up?
why this Solavari white skin girl heart black
Super Mama ready. Okay, Mama. Now tune change. Style glass. Only English, sir. Glass scotch. Eyes full of tears. Empty song, move for so poison. We don't have choices. Why this cola, 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 can you clap with me? How about you? Come on. It's a flop song, but it's way hit, I guess. Yo, boys, I'm coming. अभी ने मैंने देखा था. Soup song. Flop song. 1, 2, 3.
Rhythm correct. Why could
Why this? सबसे करेगा तो moon color white background night color black पकड़े गए.
Super Mama, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
कौन गाएगा? Kaila glass. And la glass the juice. Ice full. Oh my lover, you showed me power. I want you here now. क्या famous line है यार. This is song for so. We don't have choices. एक बार तालियां हो जाए आप सबके लिए. मैं होता तो मैं अपने लिए जोर से सुनता. और थोड़ा सा चलिए ऐसा करते हैं. 1, 2, 3 now. Super. Thanks a lot. Give me everything tonight. हमको कहते सुपर Superman on कर लो handicam from AM to PM बंदे at your service ma'am come on try it out I want some dance piano. हुई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला ना रोए रोने वाली जनाब वाली आपका क्या होगा चलो चलो करे जा बेटा करेगा बेटा कोई रात आती थी बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला के साथ बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल ये छोरा धक्का किनारे वाला ये छोरा धक्का किनारे वाला के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला राम दुहाई कैसे चक्कर में पड़ गया हाय के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला
Thank you, Mohit. Thank you so much. You were simply fantastic. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं।
मोहित के लिए एक बार
मोहित के
जोरदार
लिए।
तालियां।
He तो got everybody dancing.
He was
However,
amazing.
keep up the good spirit, Mohit. Fantastic job done. Don't worry, हम आपके dancing और आपके बीच बहुत ज़्यादा gap नहीं करने वाले. We're just here to announce the winners of the
Final-
Bombay Dying Premier League 2012.
Final big announcement. Final big announcement. The 3 winners.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bronze winner. First, we get into that.
Bronze winner of Bombay Dying Performers League.
And who is that, Akash? Ladies and gentlemen, the third runner-up rather, second runner-up, sorry.
Bronze winner.
BDPL 2012 goes out to the Western Warriors.
Woo! Bronze winner of Bombay Dying Performers League, Western Warriors.
Fantastic. We have some very special prizes that all of you all will collect on your checkout tomorrow from the tests. The second silver winner.
The first runners-up of Bombay Dying Performers League is Southern Sensation.
Dying, 3 years of non-stop fun in Goa. The winner of the Bombay Dying Premier League 2012 goes to the Eastern Eagles!
Performers League 2012.
Come on, quickly, all the Eastern Eagles on stage.
तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या ऐसे
Guys, one last time, a big hand for Bombay Dying Performance League 2012 winners, Eastern Eagles.
Well, these are just your consolation prizes. These are just your consolation prizes. The actual Grand Bonanza prizes would be handed over to all the 3 teams on their checkout tomorrow morning when all of us head out to our respective homes. Zordar तालियों के साथ once again for the South, West and the Eastern Eagles for the most fantastic performance right through the league.
And a special extravaganza for you all coming right now. And a special extravaganza for the Eastern Eagles right now. Here we go. Go for it, George, Eastern Eagles.
Well, yes, we celebrate our success. Ladies and gentlemen, this show was possible only because of Waltz Entertainment. All the ground activity taken care of by Waltz Entertainment. I hope you guys had a fantastic time the last 3 days. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, the dance floor is now open. I need to see all you lovely people dancing away this fantastic night with DJ Nayak on the console. Have a fantastic evening.
Okay guys, we would like to have the sales team of Eastern Eagles on stage, please. The final extravaganza for all of you. Something really amazing is about to happen in front of you. Can we have the sales team? The Bombay Dying sales team of the East. Bombay Dying sales team of the East. We have something very special right now which is going to be happening in front of you. For all of you, can we have the Bombay Dying sales team of the East? Sales team, come on!
Mr. Suresh Singh, Siddharth Banerjee, Mr. Partho. I'm sorry if I missed out any names. All the sales guys from Bombay Dying, please.
Come on, let's see all these lovely people on stage.
Have a great night,
Walking down the street, I'm a new freak, yeah. This is how I roll, and I'm gonna print pants out
control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra. And like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah, when I'm at the mall, security just can't buy them all. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in the Speedo trying to tan my cheeks. This is how I roll. Come on, ladies, it's time to go. We headed to the bar, baby, don't be nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and I still get service. Watch. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Walking down the street and my new free, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out of control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah, when I'm at the mall, security just can't buy them all. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in the Speedo trying to tan my cheeks. This is how I roll.
बंगले के पीछे है ताला, घुसू कहाँ से मैं साला? उड़ाला दी खिड़की खुली है, खिड़की के नीचे है नाला, खिड़की पे कोई खड़ा है, उड़ने लगा टाका पीड़ा है, मजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत की बूझ मार के। ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बनाकर, कहाँ जल्दी प्यार की पंखी बजाकर। ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बनाकर, कहाँ जल्दी प्यार की पंखी बजाकर। बंगले के पीछे है ताला, घुसू कहाँ से मैं साला? लैला की खिड़की खुली है, खिड़की के नीचे है नाला, खिड़की पे कोई खड़ा है, लैला का टाका भिड़ा है, मजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत की बूझ मार के। ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बनाकर, कहाँ जल्दी प्यार की पंखी बजाकर। ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बनाकर, कहाँ जल्दी प्यार की पंखी बजाकर।
Thank you so much, and a very, very warm thanks from all of us in Bombay. Really. Thank you. I invite all of them on stage, but a special mention has to be made of two people. One who was the obvious foundation of this entire conference, Aditya Kalani, and the other whose name normally does not get mentioned. He is the shadow, but he is the other pillar of the conference, Prashant Lakhani, and all the other members of the Bombay Time category team, the design team, the marketing team, the sales team, the administration team, the finance team, the SCM team. Will you please come on the stage? I want the crowd to give you a standing ovation. gentlemen, please give them a standing ovation. Please. Give them a big hand. Thank you guys and God bless.
तुझको ज़माने के आगे मैं छेड़ूंगा ना छोड़ूंगा आंखें चुराएगी भी तो मिलाऊंगा जा जा के बहाने बनाएगी देखूंगा
Guys, this stage cannot bear all this audience on the dais, please. If you can just.
Chetan, where are you? Chetan.
Guys, I request everyone to please vacate this dais because it's gonna collapse with your weight.